Hey guys, I am back and with a new project for you to do. Just the other day I was fiddling with some paints and a canvas, and I created something that I actually liked. This creation was very carefree and I was like, didn't intend to do anything beautiful with it, but so it seems it ended up something beautiful. In this video I will show you how to make it. It probably will take you 5 minutes or less, depending on how fast you paint. And I hope you enjoy it. Keep on watching. Oh, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be sure not to miss any of my future videos. Thank you.
What I did first, I cut out all the butterflies from 2 sheets of patterned paper that I had lying around. This is the project that I was playing with, and this is the end result. I will show you how it's done in a second. I used pastel paints. They are no brand in particular. I just bought them from my local craft shop. From Hobbycraft, I have this shimmer paint, which is really nice, but you have to layer it a few times. And I used 2 brushes that have coarse bristles. So on the clear canvas, a tiny one that I had, I'm gonna reproduce now what I did in my initial toying with the first project. I'm just combining all the pastel paints together, adding some water to make them blend better. After the paint dries, you will use one of the cutout butterflies and apply it on the canvas. No need to stick it, you can just use your hand to keep it in place. It doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be a carefree painting, something that you don't get bothered about if it's not perfect. Like I said, you need 2 layers of this shimmer paint to make it a bit more shimmery. And I did apply a second layer. I'm using some paper squares to glue in place the butterflies and then the butterflies to the canvas. So I used some nylon thread to link 2 butterflies together. I'm using an all-purpose adhesive to glue that nylon thread, and on top of it I'm gonna use the pieces of paper that I just cut out. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.